what we have here is a Stihl HSA 45. It has a built-in battery and a battery indicator. It works with a charger, so you have to charge it. It also comes with this safety key, so when it's out, the machine can't operate. You can just put it here. When you insert it, so don't lose it, otherwise you're going to have to make a plan. It goes in there, and then it operates. So this machine has a nice hook, you can hang it on a wall, and you have to buy this separate. It's multi-oil bio. You use it to put it on the bar so it doesn't rust and it cuts nicely. I thought it would help clean it, but let me show you up closer. It doesn't clean it. It does lubricate it, but it doesn't clean it. Because I have two issues with this machine. First, built-in battery, so you can't just swap it when it's flat. It does charge in about 3 to 4 hours, I see, then you can use it again. And it's light, it's lightweight, but it feels a bit flimsy. And you can see that it's not solid. I'm going to quickly show you on this. It's thin, so you can get an idea what you can do with it. So for this kind of stuff, it's perfectly fine. It works nice, it's lightweight, but if you go anything thicker, I will make a short and upload it. You'll see it just gets stuck. Even if you just jam it in slightly more than this, if you jam it in slightly more than that, it's gonna jam. So yeah, that's my take on the HSA 45. Comment below if you would purchase it, or if you would add the extra money and buy a petrol driven machine that has the power, or make the same mistake I did.